How to change Doordash location. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Doordash location. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Doordash app. Wait for it to load, and then once you're in your Doordash app, here you have to tap on your current location here in the drop down arrow. And then here you can search for new location, or you can enable location services and still add your current location. So for example, I'm gonna search for location. Then here, if you want to adjust this pin, you can tap here on adjust pin. Then you can move the pin to your exact location, and then you can tap on save. Then you can select hand it to me or leave it at my door. And if you want to add apartment suite number, you can tap here and write, and then tap on save. Now the new location is added. You can see here, if I tap on the new location, here I will see the old location and the new location. So you can select whichever location you want. And so this is how you can change your location on Doordash. Thanks for watching.